If sum of two unit vectors is a unit vector, then magnitude of their difference. Here we are discussing about addition and subtraction of vectors which are unit vectors. So suppose consider two vectors which are unit vector. So for unit vector we will use cap. So here a cap and b cap are two unit vectors and sum of these vectors is also a unit vector, that is c cap. So here we can see that is magnitude of first vector, that is a cap, is equal to magnitude of second vector, that is b cap, will be equal to magnitude of third vector, that is c cap, which is resultant of a cap plus b cap, and all are equal to 1. Now we will use a identity that is given as if two vectors are equal in magnitude, that is a vector is equal to b vector is equal to a vector plus b vector. Suppose let it be r vector, then their resultant is given as r is equal to 2a cos theta by 2. So here we will use magnitude of resultant, that is a, will be equal to 2a cos theta by 2. From here we will find the angle. So on simplification we will see 1 by 2 equal to cos theta by 2. This is possible when angle is 60 degree. So we can write it as cos 60 degree. So on further simplification we will get theta by 2 equal to 60 degree. So theta will be 120 degree. Now we will use this angle in further question, that is we have to find difference in a cap and b cap, and its magnitude can be given with the help of formula, that is 2a sin theta by 2. Because vectors which are being subtracted are equal in magnitude, so we can use an identity which is given as 2a sin theta by 2, where small a is the magnitude of individual vectors. So I will write a, small a is the magnitude of individual vector, that is 1 into sin theta by 2, where theta is 120 degree. So, on further simplification we will get 2 times of sin 60 degree, and value of sin 60 should be known, that is root 3 by 2. So, we will get root 3. Therefore, answer of this question which is asked, that is difference in the two unit vectors, will be root 3. Thank you.